Think your kitchen has it all? These clever gadgets are about to change your mind. Just wait until you see number 7. Simplify dishwashing with this soap-dispensing palm brush. Just fill with liquid soap, press to dispense, and scrub away grease effortlessly. Store neatly in its self-draining stand. Juice 2 different fruits at the exact same time with this amazing dual-head juicer. Make fresh, healthy juice in seconds without any hassle or mess. Tired of endless chopping? This electric vegetable chopper effortless dices potatoes, cucumbers, carrots, and onions in seconds with the push of a button. Upgrade your kitchen prep today. Upgrade your morning routine with this smart touchscreen toaster. Customize browning settings for each slot individually with simple taps for perfect, stress-free toast every single time. Elevate your seasonings with this electric spice grinder set. Swap interchangeable pots for salt, pepper, or spices and grind effortlessly with a button press for perfect flavor every time. Keep your kitchen organized and hygienic with this color-coded cutting board and knife set. Features built-in food icons, an integrated garlic grater, and a sleek, space-saving drying stand. Yeah, aesthetic too. In 1 glass oil dispenser cooking KO super simple Bonadita high. Spray or pour dono options Kasoth oil waste hone esi bakai or cooking KO Bilkul mess-free rake. Stop shaping burgers by hand. Layer your meat with these non-stick dividers, press and freeze. Separate perfectly proportioned patties instantly straight onto the grill. Prep smarter, cook faster. Easy to access right on your fridge. Say goodbye to stale snacks and bulky tools with this ultimate 2-in-1 kitchen essential. Store up to 6 different grains and pulses in one compact container. Simply spin to select what you need, press the button, and dispense perfect portions hassle-free. Cut your prep time in half with these multi-blade herb scissors. Effortlessly chop herbs, veggies, and garnishes directly into your pan with zero mess. Kitchen prep just got effortless.